Why are you fighting, guys? Snowy. Guys, they are fighting each other because of this naughty boy. Huh? What did you do? Huh? Why you mess up Snowy? Huh? Why? Go, 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 go. Go with the Snowy. See? Go there. Go there. Yalla. You are like strangers, you know. You don't know each other. You are brothers and sisters, and why you are like that? Huh? You should love each other, not fighting each other. Okay? And you always cause of the commotion. Why you do that? Huh? You're so cute. Ah, my cute Leo. And cute Snowy. Snowy, you must love Leo. Don't be grumpy with him, okay? Okay, bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching.